Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Montevideo, whatever, Uruguay. And this is like the main street right here. Let's go take a look. And so you can see that it's got bikes in the middle and walking, or just bikes in the middle, and then you can see down the street. And it's really a pretty nice little spot. But I did a walking street before, but this is going to be their main thoroughfare, and it runs into all sorts of different places. I think it ends up down at the main square, at the palace, and the other palace to the other end. And so, but this is nice just because it gives you an idea of what things look like in the rooms and the buildings and architecture and more upscale type stuff and shops and those types of things. So banks, what banks look like, and like that building right there is amazing. And to be honest, really a clean city. Another interesting thing about the city is that marijuana is legal. So you can, get marijuana and smoke it and no problem. And so it's pretty prevalent on the street. So you can smell it most places. Lots of little stores. CC, I don't know what that is. Guapa, don't know what that is. But they're big streets, and they've got lots of shops and lots of banks and all sorts of different things. And that building's cute too, with the balconies and stuff. I don't know that I'd want to live on this street just because I think it'd be pretty loud. And Christmas stores and mobile stores. And now I'm looking for a hotel. I want to find a hotel so I can sit and get good Wi-Fi and upload these videos. Beautiful flowers. You have to be careful around here because I think that you can get yourself into trouble trying to cross streets. And restaurants and and that's a neat building up there too. Anyway, Montevideo's it's really kind of a neat city. I kind of like it. It's kind of clean. It seems pretty safe. It seems pretty reasonable. I don't feel unsafe at all. I don't know what it's like at night, but yeah, I don't know. Not bad. The pot smell is fairly prevalent. I'll get to this main square up here. There's another little square here with a statue, obelisk type thing in the middle, and I'll stop there. At least it just gives you an idea of what you're looking at if you come here. If you take a cruise and you get off here and stop, or what you're looking at. And bookstores. I gotta go find a kid's book so I can learn Spanish again or continue my education. Oh. And this is one of the squares. There's that building over there, which is pretty nice. I guess he's going, I'm going. And they got Christmas lights up already. I guess we're only 5 days away from Christmas, so I guess it's pretty close. And that building's pretty neat. And you can see all the Christmas lights in the statue here. All right, well, that's where I'm going to stop, everybody. Very cool. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for traveling with me. Bye, everybody.